Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the silicon power value gaming DDR5 RAM, specifically the 64GB kit running at 6000 MHz with CL30 timings. This kit aims to deliver high performance without breaking the bank, and after putting it through its paces, here's the breakdown. First impressions are solid. The aluminum heatsink, available in black or white, looks clean and provides excellent thermal management. This is crucial for maintaining stability during intense gaming sessions or overclocking endeavors. Speaking of which, this RAM supports both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo, making overclocking a breeze. With one-click overclocking, users can easily tap into the RAM's full potential without fiddling with complex BIOS settings. Performance-wise, the silicon power DDR5 RAM doesn't disappoint. The 6000 MHz speed and CL30 timings translate to snappier response times and improved overall system performance. In gaming, this means smoother frame rates and reduced stuttering, especially in demanding titles. The 64GB capacity is also a boon for multitasking and memory-intensive applications, ensuring that users won't run into any memory bottlenecks. One of the standout features of this RAM is its stability. The Power Management Integrated Circuit, PMIC, ensures a stable power supply, minimizing the risk of crashes or errors during critical moments. Additionally, the On-Die Error Correction Code, ECC, further enhances reliability by detecting and correcting memory errors on the fly. Silicon Power backs this RAM with a lifetime warranty, which is a testament to their confidence in its quality and durability. This provides peace of mind, knowing that users are covered in case of any issues. Overall, the silicon power value gaming DDR5 64GB 6000 MHz RAM is a compelling option for gamers and enthusiasts looking to upgrade their systems. It offers a great balance of performance, stability, and affordability, making it a worthwhile investment. The easy overclocking, robust heatsink, and lifetime warranty add further value to this already impressive package. If you're in the market for a DDR5 RAM upgrade, the Silicon Power Kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.